Cascade control action. Principle of cascade system. Cascade is simple and most effective method to eliminate the maintained and trapped signals is the use of cascade control action. In a cascade system, the circuit is divided into different zones in which the air supply is latched by additional direction control valve. The principle of a cascade system is as follows. First one, follow a simple design procedure to determine the minimum number of groups in the circuit. To eliminate the trapped signals, allocate the signal wall limit switches between these groups. Second one, unlike the previous circuits where a single supply bus bar was used to carry the main supply pressure to all components in a cascade system, a separate supply bus bar is provided to each group. Third one, provide a conventional arrangement of selector valves to direct the supply only to the active group. Cylinder A and B, the diagram indicating cascade circuit design. Signal elimination technique. In this technique, it is possible to eliminate signals either mechanically or by means of suitable circuitry. Mechanical methods. In this method, the signal elimination is by means of a short impulse transmitter or B idle return roller. Short impulse transmitter method is composed of direction control valve with over center function and the respective type of control. When using such a type of valve, one should have the following points. The operating reliability depends to a great extent on the speed of actuation, maximum 0.1 to 0.15 meters per second. The valve is actuated in the middle part of the stroke and not at the ends of the stroke. That is, the actuator must be operated as far from the stop, otherwise, a continuous signal will exist. Idle return roller can be used if the signal to be eliminated is provided by a limit switch. The use of roller level roller lever valves with idle return to eliminate signal overlapping has the following disadvantages. The end position cannot be sensed accurately, function may be impaired due to contamination, fast control of systems are not possible.